It's raining outside, and we are all feeling cozy with a hot coffee or blanket, right? But have you thought about your birds? They may not enjoy the rain like we do. They need extra care too. Don't worry, I'll tell you some easy tips to keep your pet birds happy and healthy during this rainy season. Tip number 1. First, stop the rain from getting in. Close the coop doors properly. If your coop has nets, cover them with a plastic sheet. This blocks the rain and strong wind. A dry place is the first step to a safe bird. Tip number 2. Birds can feel cold just like us. Use a warm bulb or heater in the coop. It gives a soft glow and keeps them warm. Birds feel safe and cozy in warm corners, especially when it's cold outside. Tip number 3. Check the floor of the coop often. If it's wet, clean it right away. Wet litter can grow germs and make birds sick. A clean and dry coop means a healthy bird. Tip number 4. Rainwater is not safe to drink. Give boiled and filtered warm water. You can add a few drops of multivitamins. It keeps your birds active, happy and healthy. Tip number 5. Don't feed them wet seeds, sprouts or fruits. This can make them sick. Instead, give dry seeds or a little boiled egg. It helps them stay warm and strong. Birds bring so much joy to our lives. Let's show them a little extra love this rainy season. Small care makes a big difference. Like, save and share this if you love your birds. Got any bird care tips? Drop them in the comments.